With just 4 days to go for your coming NEET examination, here are some last minute things that you must keep into mind. Of course, since you are left very short with time, our session would be short and sweet. So let's identify the key things that you must do today. First is focus on the topics that are high yielding. Now, high yielding topic means, first of all, identify the trend based on the past year papers, identify the segments where higher number of questions are asked, and try to focus on those topics more. For example, if we talk about biology, you can practice more on genetics and evolution. In the sections on chemistry, a good idea is to practice more on electrochemistry. In physics, thermodynamics is a good section where you can devote more time. So make sure you are focusing on the topics in which there have been relatively higher number of questions which have been asked in the previous year paper. So that should be your target for today. The second important target is whatever notes you have taken so far, whatever mnemonics you have developed so far, try to memorize them. Identify and learn the key formulas, the key concepts, and it's not a time to focus on the complete material right now, but focus on the key points, the key things that are really important for you. The next important thing that you have to focus on today is the weak areas. Now, when we talk about weak areas, this would be varying individually. So what is really important is to identify what areas are you really either afraid of, or you are not very comfortable with those topics. Identify those. For example, if a student is struggle with optics, why not focus more on optics towards the end, because there could be a chance that there are higher number of questions from optics and you can score well in that section, right? So those are some of the key things that you must identify today, but make sure that take small breaks as you study. Do not go with any distractions. The last minutes are really important, so be focused, be very very centered onto the key aspect. Don't think about the things here and there, and make sure that you would definitely succeed. So practice well, prepare well. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back on the below number. Thanks for joining in.